Delicious street food that can be healthy. Just go low on the salt and sugar and you have yourself a healthy meal. Protein packed, so light and so easy to make. Soak your white peas overnight. Wash your white peas 3 to 4 times with plain water. We have used 3 cups of white peas here. Add adequate amount of water to boil them. Let the white peas boil until they become soft. In between the recipe, we switch to pressure cooker. In the pressure cooker, it will probably take 30 to 40 minutes to cook. You also need to add potatoes and cook them together with the white peas. Next, add dry roasted cumin powder, black salt, which is a type of rock salt as we call beet lobon. Then add few green chilies. We added 3 here. Stir and mix it all together. Close the lid and let it all boil together until the white peas become soft. Open the lid and check in between if the white peas have become soft. Once the white peas have become soft, mash few of the white peas and potatoes and mix it all together. It will make the consistency thicker and it will taste better. Then you have to add the key ingredient, which is Chotpoti masala. Don't get scared seeing the picture of egg in the package. There is no egg in it. The Chotpoti masala is totally vegan. If you can't find Chotpoti masala where you live, then let me share the ingredients of the Chotpoti masala. The Chotpoti masala includes coriander powder, cumin powder, regular salt, black salt as we call beet lobon, and chili. The ready-mix Chotpoti masala just makes it easier to make. Mix it all together and it's done. Wait, the recipe is not finished yet. We eat Chotpoti with a tamarind sauce called tok. In water, soak tamarind. Extract the tamarind pulp and mix it with the water. Remove the seeds and the extra pulp into a separate plate. Then add black salt as we call beet lobon in Bangla. Add sugar or sweetener of your choice. You can also skip sugar. Then mix chopped green chilies. Add chilies according to your spice tolerance. Then add chopped coriander leaves. You can also skip it if you don't like it. There are many variations of the tamarind sauce. It's just one of them. Now serve your Chotpoti on a plate with the toppings of your choice. Here we use chopped raw onions, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves. Skip coriander leaves if you don't like it. Next, pour the tamarind sauce over it. You can also crush and sprinkle fuchka on it. Skip fuchka if you want to keep it really healthy. Now serve and enjoy. Praying love and light your way. God bless you all. Subscribe and click on the bell icon for more vegan recipes.